Good evening, everyone. I'm meteorologist Catie McNeil. You've now clicked on the Weather Now link, and let's jump right into it. So, a lot to cover here. We've been tracking this snowstorm that will be impacting the area through the overnight tonight into Sunday. Snow has just started kind of moving through the area in the past half hour or so, but conditions still on the lighter end as far as type of snow that's falling. The heaviest of the snowfall is expected overnight tonight into tomorrow. With that, we are under a winter storm warning in the areas in pink or purple. This includes Woonsocket, Scituate, Burrillville, Smithfield, all towns in this area here. This does not include Metro Providence, so even though it is Providence County, not including the city here. So the city is expected to see localized lower snowfall totals than what we're expecting in the areas in pink, hence why the areas in purple here, including Metro Providence, are under a winter weather advisory. With that, we also do have a wind advisory, which includes Block Island, Martha's Vineyard, Nantucket, and Cape Cod. This is through the day on Sunday, with wind gusts expected to reach 50 miles an hour at times as the system moves through. Temperatures right now just around that freezing mark here, and as conditions start to worsen overnight tonight and we have that heavy snowfall, these temperatures, even if they're slightly above freezing, aren't expected to switch anything over to rain or sleet in the overnight, although we could see, especially at the coast, some of those more rainy conditions in the morning on Sunday before things switch over to snow again at the tail end of the system, with temperatures dropping Sunday afternoon and evening. Satellite and radar right now, you can start to see some of this light snow moving through the area here. Nothing super impactful as of yet, but a lot of moisture on the way here as we head towards the overnight. And you'll see right where that rain snow line is kind of this pink line is a good gauge here. South of that is all rain. North of that is where we're seeing lots of snow. So we are at this point expecting mostly snowfall, especially in those areas under the warning overnight tonight into Sunday, although chances for mixed precipitation, so sleet and some rain, are possible in the morning tomorrow, so pre-dawn into Sunday morning, especially down towards the coast. So let's take a look at the severity storm index with this storm, where you can see the areas in orange and yellow are moderate and minor impacts, and limited impacts includes all the areas in light blue here. And the red, which does not include Rhode Island and Southeastern Massachusetts, is expecting major impacts from this. And with that, kind of you can see, following along with where we have the winter storm warning, seeing potential for moderate power outages. We could see this extended to areas impacted by the higher wind gusts as well, but wouldn't be due to any wet snow, would be more because of the windy conditions that we're seeing. But again, those increased, more moderate potentials for power outages would be in the areas kind of following that warning. And let's take a look at the precipitation type map here, where again, in the area in the warning, including northwestern Rhode Island, seeing that mostly snow. In the pink here, could see a mix, especially during that Sunday morning time frame, and more mix of a rain, sleet, and snow mix down towards the coast, Cape Cod, and the islands. And with that, here's your snowfall forecast with those increased amounts here. So the 6 to 9 inch snowfall time frame here, looking at the area in dark blue, with snowfall totals decreasing the farther we head down towards the coast, out towards the island, Block Island, not looking to get very high precipitation totals as far as snowfall. And your travel impacts as well, looking at moderate to high impacts as we head towards the pre-dawn overnight hours. As we head towards the evening on Sunday, travel impacts will lessen as far as snowfall, although we do have our eyes on flash freeze impacts, as those temperatures are expected to crash as the system moves offshore. So the snowfall will be moving out of the area, but then when very cold temperatures move in, we could see some very icy conditions on those roads overnight on Sunday. So let's take a look at kind of what we're tracking here right now, overnight tonight. So as conditions start to worsen here, we are already seeing the snow starting to move through. But here's a look at that rain snow line here. So especially down towards the coast, could see some rain at times with a mix as well, which could extend farther northward. This right now, the models can change still, even as we're heading into the overnight tonight. So we could see some more of that mix farther north, but that area, as I mentioned, in northwestern Rhode Island, looking to stay snowy. Not looking at much in the way of mixed precip there, but any mix that we do see in the Sunday morning time frame will turn to all snow again, with those temperatures dropping as we head towards the evening hours on Sunday here. So again, any mix that we are seeing is looking to improve, or not improve, but rather change to just snowfall as we head towards the evening hours. And here's a look at your snow forecast town by town. We've been showing this the last few days here. This is breaking it down with the towns that are expected to see 6 to 9 inches, like Burrillville, Smithfield, and Woonsocket, down to that kind of moderate bracket, middle bracket, Central Falls 4 to 6, Johnston 3 to 6, Providence 3 to 6 as well. For areas of Massachusetts here as well, Attleboro 4 to 8, North Attleboro 4 to 8, Seekonk 3 to 6, Westport 1 to 3, Fairhaven 1 to 3, kind of those coastal towns, as I mentioned, not seeing as much snow accumulation totals. This evening, the snow is expected to increase as we head towards the overnight. That's going to lead way to more snow and possibly that wintry mix as well late morning. But then as the temperatures start to drop again as we head towards the afternoon, any mixed precipitation that we could see in the morning, especially down at the coast, is expected to turn to all snow. And we'll have updates. We'll also be on at 10 and 11 on both WANC and WPRI 12. And in the meantime, you can always get your full forecast and updates on our website at WPRI.com.